Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Facebook password if forgotten in iPhone. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Facebook account. This is very easy and simple process. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to change Facebook password if forgotten in iPhone. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Facebook app. Here we go. Your home page appears. Now at the bottom right corner here you can see menu icon. Tap on that. Now go to the option settings and privacy which is given at the bottom. Tap on that. Now tap on settings. Now at the top here you can see the option of password and security. Tap on that. Now tap on change password option. Now you have to tap on that option forgot password. Now tap on continue. Now you have to go and check your Gmail. Here I will be opening my Gmail app and then refreshing it. Here you can see that Facebook has sent me the code. I will be tapping on that. Now here you can see change password option. Tap on that. Now here I will be entering a new password for my account. And then tapping on next. Wait for a few seconds, it is in the process. Here I will be tapping on the option review other devices and tapping on continue. Here I will be tapping on log out of all sessions, log out. You can see that I have easily changed my Facebook password. I guess now you guys are clear about how to change Facebook password if forgotten in iPhone. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Comment down below what you guys wanna see next. Thank you.